guys, so working on the getting some of the rust up off so I can go ahead and spray it. However, I'm using this flap, which this thing is the same, like works so well. However, the problem is it works too well and it grinds off material pretty quickly. I cannot take that chance, as you can see there on the edge, so I'm gonna go ahead and put something softer on here, and then keep going at it. So would you look at that, completely upside down. When I'm working on, the reason I did it was because I'm cleaning up all the dust out of here, and this roof has some light, just this panel has a little bit of light surface rust, you see it? So I have to clean that up, and yeah, this will be a lot easier to do it this way. Yeah. So I meant to record the absolute grief that it was to get all of that surface rust off, but I missed it. My apologies. However, as you can see, I'm using the epoxy paint. So I got the back half done, as you can see. It's looking good. This is actually pretty cool that I can do it this way, to be honest with you. I was really stressed out on how I was going to achieve some of this. And this right here, this is bliss. So the ceiling is done. Some of the bars are done. It's starting to come together. However, I ran out of paint. And the paint that I'm using is a very unique paint. You can't buy it just anywhere, so.
This is my situation right now.
We're tag teaming this today. I just finished on the parcel tray on top. On the back there, my lovely wife is wiping the front down to give it the second coat. And there you have it, my little garage. This works this way, they let me. I've been able to go ahead and do wonders in here. So as you can see with the engine, with the interior, looks amazing in here. Salvage the outside, the glass. So now I'm already moving on to suspension.